The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to answer the question, what notice is required in Illinois adult guardianship proceedings? So in order to be appointed as a guardian for a disabled adult, you have to first file a petition for guardianship in the appropriate court. And we have an article and video at learn-about-law.com that talks about guardianship jurisdiction and venue and where to file. But once you file with this court, the clerk will set a date, time, and location for a hearing and file stamp the petition, and you'll also file and get a file stamped copy of a summons. The hearing must be scheduled for no later than 30 days after the petition is filed. In order for the hearing to actually be held, the petitioner has to prove that the petitioner provided proper notice of the hearing to all required parties. So let's talk about who is entitled to notice of a guardianship proceeding. Firstly, the disabled adult must be personally served with a copy of the petition and summons. We'll talk about how to do this in just a moment. In addition, the following individuals have to be served with a notice of motion, and this doesn't have to be through personal service. It can be by mailing it to their last known address. And this includes known relatives of the disabled adult, any previously appointed guardians, and any agents for the disabled adult that are acting under a power of attorney. The notice of motion should include the date, time, and location of the guardianship hearing, as well as a copy of the petition. Many courts have specific summons forms for guardianship, and there's a statutory requirement that the summons form has to, at a minimum, include a statement of the rights of the disabled adult in the guardianship proceeding. So you can't just use a generic summons form. There's a specific guardianship summons form that you have to use. The disabled adult has to be personally served with summons and a copy of the guardianship petition at least 14 days prior to the date of the hearing. Unlike most litigation, substitute service is not acceptable. So you can't serve the petition and summons upon the caretaker of the disabled adult or upon someone else who lives in the house with them. It has to be the actual person that receives service. This is usually accomplished by delivering several copies of the summons and petition to the county sheriff in the county where the disabled adult resides, and then the sheriff will attempt service. If the sheriff's unsuccessful in doing so, you can hire a special process server, which is basically a private detective whose job it is to locate and serve petitions on people in all sorts of litigation, including guardianship proceedings. You can also try to do it by certified mail with restricted delivery, meaning that you need to get the actual signature of the disabled adult in order for service to be effective. So that is how you serve summons on a disabled adult, and we've talked about, in addition to that summons, you also have to send notice of motion to all required parties that we discussed earlier. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to us wherever you listen to your podcasts or on YouTube, or you can subscribe to our email list at learn-about-law.com. Anyway, subscribe, you'll be notified of our daily article and video posts, and we have a different article and video that we post every day. If you found this helpful, please give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have offices all around Chicagoland for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.